All right, so today we're going to be talking about key signatures. Now, a key signature is a collection of every accidental found in a given scale. For example, C minor, instead of writing a flat next to every E, A, and B, because those are flattened in the C minor scale, we would just put the key signature of 3 flats right at the beginning of the measure. So that's a flat A major. Instead of writing a sharp next to every C, F, and G, we would just put 3 sharps at the beginning of the measure. Now, flats and sharps are put, they represent different key signatures. So, for example, flats need to be in a special order, and we remember the order through a little trick. So, battle, ends, and down goes, what is it? Charles's father. So you're going to order the flats B, E, A, D, G, C, and F. What does that look like on the clefs? Well, let's write it out. B, B, E, E, A, A, D, D, G, G, C, C, and F. I have to kind of think of that. You don't always see 7 flats, so it's a little bit like, oh. Now, that's the order for flats. Sharps, it's a little different, so let's separate these with a line. Double bar line, why not? With sharps, it's similar, but it's different. So, Father Charles goes down and ends battle. F, C, G, D, A, E, and B. The way that looks on the staff is this. F, F, C, C, G, G, D, D, A, E, E, and B, B. So that's how we order our key signatures on the staff per clef. Treble clef, that's how it looks like. Bass clef, that's how it looks like. Now, that's good, all and good for how we write things out, but how do we identify key signatures? Well, for sharps, if you're ever looking at a key signature with sharps, the way to figure out what key you're in is to look at the sharp that's the farthest to the right. So here we have B sharp. The sharp farthest to the right will be the major scale's 7th, or T. So here we have a B sharp. So what is a B sharp? sharp is the key. We are in the key of C sharp major because the sharp farthest to the right is the seventh, or the T to that key. Let's look at 4 sharps. Pretend these aren't here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a D sharp. D sharp, E. 4 sharps is the key of E major. Now let's see. For flats, the flat farthest to the right will be the major scale's 4th, or Fa. So knowing this, let's look at just one flat. With one flat being the major scale's Fa, we can move down 4, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. One flat, F major. Let's look at 3 flats. A flat is Fa, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. E flat major. That's how we figure out the major scale's key signature. Now to find the relative minor, we have to count down a minor third from the major scale's root. So descend in your head, Do, Ti, La. So let's look at F. So we know that one flat is our Fa, B flat is our Fa, and F is our Do. So Do, Ti, La. We're now at D. So we are in D D minor with one flat. And the same for when you're in a sharp key signature. So let's look at E major, that's 3 sharps. We know that E is our Do, Do, Ti, La. 4 sharps is C sharp minor. That's pretty much how you do it. I hope that these little tips and tricks help, and good luck.